Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MK Jabintar. Today giving you the knowledge about C program to check whether a given number is prime number or not a prime number. First, let us see what is a prime number. Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 or by itself completely. So here we are taking a number by C programming, checking whether it is a prime number or not a prime number. First, let us go through the program and execute it, then we will go for tracing. First, I have double clicked on Dev C++ software and opened a file and named it as f and saved as f.c and typed this program. See here, first we have to write header file, that is include stdio.h, which contains input output functions. Next, the main part of the program begins with open brace. Then we have to declare constant and variables we are using. Int we have taken as data type for all. Integer type of number we are taking, and I are the numbers up to n. M is initial value of m is equal to 0. For calculation in the next steps we are taking m as n divided by 2, but initial value of it is 0, and flag is equal to 0. Initial value of flag is 0. If a flag is equal to 1 in further programming in the coming steps, if a flag is equal to 1, then the number is not a prime, and if flag is equal to 0, the number is a prime number. Now next comes a printf statement. This line is typed over output screen here. What is that line? Enter the number to check prime. Then we have to enter a number to check whether it is prime or not. Then scanf functions read it and uses for calculation. Let's to use for calculation. And then m is equal to, m value is, initial value is 0, but here for calculation m is equal to n by 2. And here for loop appears I is equal to 2. That is, we have to take a number up to that number beginning from 2. All the values are called as I here, noted as I here. I is equal to 2 up to I is lesser than or equal to m, that is n by 2. We have to increment I value from 2 up to i's value is lesser than or equal to m by 1. Then we have to check the condition here. If n modulo I is equal to 0, then the number is not a prime number. Flag is equal to 1 and break appears here. Then calculation, this program execution stops. And if flag is equal to 0, that is if n modulus I is not equal to 0, then the number is a prime number. Okay, then return 0 to stop the program, and program ends, and we get the result by declaring whether, depending upon these conditions, whether the given number is prime or not. Okay, now let us execute it. Execute, compile and run. Q number 6. Number is not prime. 6 is a number which is not a prime number. See here. Now let us give another value. Execute, compile and run. Then give value 7. Enter. 7 number is a prime number. Okay. Now let us trace. Here is first we are tracing for a given number is not prime. Okay. Now let us take any number here. Let us take 6. Then according to for condition here, starting from I is equal to 2, I is lesser than or equal to m, I plus plus. We have to take all the values of given number starting from 2 up to its exact value by incrementing from 2 by 1 up to I is lesser than or equal to m. Here m is equal to n by 2. Okay, we are taking the values here. So m is equal to n by 2. M is equal to n means 6 here. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So starting from I is equal to 2 up to I is lesser than or equal to m, values are 2, 3. Okay. Then here n is equal to 6, I is equal to 2, 3. So by one by one we have to divide by these numbers to 6. Find the modulus, not dividing. N modulo 2 is equal to 6 modulo 2 is equal to 0 remainder. N modulo 2 is equal to 6 modulo 3. 6 modulo 3 is equal to 0. Then remainder is 0 here for n modulo I values. Here 3. Okay. For all the I values, by finding modulo with 6, 0 is the remainder. So 6 is not a prime number. Okay. Flag is equal to 1. This condition satisfied here. If n modulo I is equal to 0, then number is not a prime. Flag 1 is equal to 0. Break. Here program stops because we have declared the given number and proved that it is not a prime number. Now let us see the tracing for a given number is a prime number. Let n is equal to 7 here. Then according to for condition, first here write m is equal to n by 2. Okay. See here for condition again same thing up to given m, that is m is equal to n by 2, we have to take I values starting from 2 up to lesser than or equal to m value by incrementing from 2 by 1, that is I plus plus. If n modulo I is equal to 0, number is not a prime number, flag is equal to 1, then execution stops. Okay. And if flag is equal to 0, then and n modulo I is not equal to 0, then the given number is a prime number. So here see the tracing m is equal to n by 2. We have taken number as 7. Okay. Then m is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5. Approximately we take as 3. Then starting from I is equal to 2 up to I is lesser than or equal to m, values are 2 comma 3. So n is equal to 7, I is equal to 2 comma 3. n modulo 2 is equal to 7 modulo 2 is equal to 1 remainder. n modulo 3 here is equal to 7 modulo 3 is equal to remainder is 1 here. So it satisfies the second condition. Then flag is equal to 0 and the given number is prime number. That is 7 is a prime number which we have taken for tracing. The same numbers I have taken for execution also. During program execution we have proved it. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you. See once tracing. For given number is not a prime number. For given number is a prime number. Okay. This is the program. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.